And now we go to Sochi to take a look at the latest at the Winter Olympics. Peter Koveos has some of the highlights of the games.
Yeah, well, let's start with stuff going on the ice right now. Russia beat Slovakia. That one went to a shootout, 1-0, and the U.S. They beat Slovenia 5-1. We stay on the ice and ice dance, and in the free skate, make that the short program. It was the Americans of Merrill Davis and Charlie White. They lead the Canadians of Tessa Virtue and Scott Moore by 2 points, so that one will be tight going into tomorrow. And the Chinese men's curling team, skipped by Liu Ray, they lost to Canada in extra ends 9-8. China actually scored 2 in the 10th to send it to an extra end. And with that win, Canada qualifies for the knockout stages. China's sitting in third, and they can book their place into the knockout round starting with a win tomorrow.
And let's take a look at the medals count and see exactly where the countries stand right now. Germany sits on top with 7 golds and 12 medals in total. The Netherlands is in second place with 5 golds, 5 silvers, 7 bronzes, followed by Norway, Switzerland, and host nation Russia.